In previous classes, I teach you different topologies. One topology is there left. Now I am going to discuss today ring topology. Ring topology. This is very interesting and very important topology. So, what is ring topology? First, I have to make diagram. As you know, the name given ring topology, the topology is in the form of a ring. Okay, so it is basically based on the token exchange method. Okay, and it is only process on only one direction. Either it may be on clockwise or anti-clockwise. So what is ring topology? Ring topology are wired in a circle, or it may be in circular manner. Okay, wired in a circle, where each node is connected. Each node is connected to its neighbor node. That means this one is connected with this one, and this one is connected with its neighbor node, this one. In this way, each node is connected to its neighbor node on either side and data transmit along the ring in one direction only. It may be clockwise, it may be anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and each device incorporate a receiver and a transmitter and serve as a repeater that pass signal onto next device. Okay. Next, ring topology is suited for network that uses token passing access method. token passing access method. Token passing access method. What does it mean? If a node A, I just give the different name of different nodes. Okay. If A wants to send any data to C, so first A have to send B or D. If it may be any directions. If if wants to see, A wants to send any data to C, first A sends data to B and B sends data to C. Okay, in this way A have to send first data to B, and through B the data of A has to receive to C. Okay, so what are the advantages? Advantages of ring topology. First is cable failure effect. Cable failure effect. Cable failure affects limited users. Okay. Second is each node has equal access speed. Equal access speed to ring. And third one is equal access for all users. It provides the equal access for all users. Okay, and what are the disadvantages? What are the disadvantages? First, the costly wiring required. Costly wiring required for installations. And second one is difficult connections. Difficult connection establishment. Okay, so these are all about ring topology. Okay, thank you.